Ever wondered about the difference between part-time side hustles and having a YouTube channel? Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll be exploring the ins and outs of these two popular avenues for extra income. We'll uncover how they differ in terms of nature of work, income potential, time commitment, required skill set, and the role of creativity and passion. So grab your cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's dive deep into these aspects. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of side hustles versus YouTube channels. First, let's explore the nature of the work involved in part-time side hustles versus running a YouTube channel. Part-time side hustles are typically gigs you do outside your regular job, or if you're retired. These can range from freelance work like writing or graphic design to driving for ride-sharing services or delivering food. It's all about using your existing skills or interests to earn extra cash. On the other hand, running a YouTube channel involves creating and uploading videos on a regular basis. The content can vary widely, from vlogs and tutorials to reviews and entertainment videos. What's interesting here is that these videos stay on YouTube indefinitely, and when monetized, they can provide a steady source of income over time. So the nature of work varies greatly between side hustles and maintaining a YouTube channel. Each has its own unique facets and requires a different level of commitment and creativity. Now let's talk money. How do part-time side hustles and having a YouTube channel compare in terms of income potential? Part-time side hustles can provide a steady stream of income or be more sporadic, depending on the nature of the work and the time you invest. For example, delivering food or driving for ride-sharing services may yield immediate, albeit variable, returns. On the other hand, freelance work such as writing, consulting, or graphic design often pays per project, meaning your earnings might fluctuate. Contrastingly, the income from a YouTube channel is primarily influenced by factors like the number of views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The videos you create and upload are a form of passive income. They stay on YouTube indefinitely, potentially earning you money long after they're posted. However, building a successful channel with a substantial audience often takes time and patience. Clearly, income potential can be quite different when comparing side hustles to running a YouTube channel. Time commitment, skill set, and passion are crucial aspects to consider. Let's see how they differ between side hustles and YouTube channels. For side hustles, the time commitment can vary greatly. Some may require just a few hours each week, while others could demand more of your time. The skills needed also depend on the hustle. A freelance writer would need strong writing abilities, while a rideshare driver would need a valid license and a vehicle. Creativity and passion can fuel some side hustles, but for others, it's more about earning that extra income. Now let's talk about YouTube. Running a successful channel can be a significant time commitment. It's not just about creating videos, but also editing, promoting, and engaging with your audience. The skill set needed is somewhat specialized, involving video production, editing, and content creation. However, in the year 2024, artificial intelligence has simplified the process, making it easier to pick topics, write scripts, and produce faceless videos. And when it comes to passion, successful YouTube channels often stem from the creator's interests. When you create content you're passionate about, it can be a source of both income and personal fulfillment. As you can see, time, skills, and passion play different roles in part-time side hustles and YouTube channels. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or follow your passion, understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision about which path is right for you. Now that we've discussed the key aspects, let's summarize the differences between part-time side hustles and having a YouTube channel. Part-time side hustles offer a range of gigs, from freelance projects to ride-sharing services. The income potential varies widely, and the time commitment can be flexible. The skill set required depends on the job at hand, and while some hustles can be creative, others are more about the extra income. On the other hand, running a YouTube channel involves creating and uploading videos, often driven by your passions and interests. The income potential, based on views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise, can be significant, but requires time to grow an audience. It demands skills in video production, editing, and content creation, but advancements in artificial intelligence have simplified the process. Both part-time side hustles and YouTube channels offer unique opportunities and challenges. The choice between them depends on your personal preferences, skills, and goals. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.